Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your own business taxes. First, let's get organized. Knowing your business structure, like sole proprietorship versus LLC, is crucial for selecting the right tax forms. Next, meticulously collect all your financial documents, including income statements, expense receipts, and any Form 1099s you've received. Finally, always keep your personal and business finances distinct. This simplifies the entire process and prevents headaches later on. Now, let's talk about the forms and deductions that can save you money. For many small businesses, Schedule C is essential, while corporations might use Form 1120. Don't overlook valuable deductions. Things like a home office, business software, and even professional development can reduce your taxable income. Remember to keep precise records, especially for vehicle mileage, to claim every dollar you're entitled to. When it's time to file, you have options. You can conveniently e-file your return, which is often faster and more accurate, or you can mail in paper forms. For many businesses, paying estimated taxes quarterly is a requirement to avoid penalties, so plan accordingly. Before you hit submit or drop it in the mail, take a moment to meticulously review all your entries. Accuracy is key to a smooth filing process. To wrap things up, let's discuss how to avoid common pitfalls and when to seek assistance. Many business owners miss out on deductions or use the wrong forms, leading to complications. If your tax situation feels overwhelming or particularly complex, don't hesitate to consult a qualified tax professional. Their expertise can be invaluable. And speaking of smart choices, check out the description below for a link to those leak-proof, meal prep containers, and other great deals to help keep your life organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.